Hi everyone, today in this video I'll show you how you can uninstall Microsoft Edge from Windows 11. Now if you go to the install tabs and see Microsoft Edge status, you'll see that the uninstall option is grayed out. So let's see how easily you can uninstall it now. Simply open your browser and search for Wise Uninstaller. From the search results, go to the first web page. Click on free download. Once downloaded, simply run the setup file and install it. Uncheck the first option and click on finish. Now from the list of softwares installed here, find Edge. Click on it and select Force Uninstall and click on Yes. Now these are all the residual files of Edge, simply remove them. Ignore these files and click on OK. Now if you search for Edge, you won't get it further. Now under browser extensions, click on Internet Explorer, checkmark these options and click on uninstall. Do the same for Microsoft Edge. If it is there, select the options and click on uninstall. And that's it, the job is done. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.